The Pond in the Village, next poem from your literature book, and the poet is Uma Raman. Let me first recite the poem. When she was small and not so old at all, my grandmother lived in the village far away. In the middle of that village was her house. In the middle of that house, there was a yard. What is a yard? Yard is an open area in a large house that is enclosed by walls or rooms. In the middle of that yard, there was a pond. In these lines, the poet is talking about her own grandmother, and she's saying that when her grandmother was small and she was not old at all, she lived in a village, and in the middle of the village, there was her house, and in the middle of the house, there was a yard, an open area, and in the middle of the yard, there was a pond. Next lines are, in that pond, grandmother would swim from left to right, from right to left, criss and cross and around again, till her grandmother said, enough was enough. It was time for lunch. Enough was enough in this poem means that it's time to stop. Like when you are continuously playing and not listening to your mother, and she is asking you to have your lunch and study for some time, and then also you don't listen to her, you continue with your play. So she says enough is enough now, means it means that you have to stop now. So in the last lines, the poet is saying that in that pond, the grandmother would swim from left to right, right to left, criss and cross, and around again. All the movements are described, that how she used to swim. And grandmother's grandmother, she used to tell that enough was enough, means it's time to stop now because it is time for lunch. Let us learn about some more sources of water. First one is river, then is a well, then a sea, a canal, then the tap water that we use at our home, then is the dam where electricity is also generated, then we have hand pumps at our home, then is the lake, and this is the pond about which we have read in this poem. Thank you.